guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and being safe because it's getting crazier outside. If you're new here, then I'm Dhruvika. I am a fashion and beauty blogger and I also take good self-portraits. It would mean a lot if you hit the like button, share button and subscribe to my channel and just turn on the bell icon, to get updates on my new videos. So this video again is like something that I've been meaning to do from past couple of weeks, I guess. Yes. And this past week has been a little traumatic. I've been getting lots and lots of DMs on, how are you doing? Why you're not posting anything and everything. I was on a social media detox kind of thing, not fully, but yeah, I was on a break. I didn't post anything, not even on stories or anything. So people were like, where are you and everything. So I'm here, I'm fine. Thank you for checking up on me if you're here. This video is everything about blogging and content creation. I've been getting a lot of questions and everything. I put a questionnaire on Instagram. By the way, if you can follow me on Instagram, I have lots and lots of good content there as well. So I've already put up, the first video, the first part of this content creation and blogging, where I've shared my own journey and experiences and tips and tricks, everything. So you can check out, it's in the description box. Everything will be mentioned in the description box. So you can please just go and check out. So if you know me, then you should know that I've written everything. Like, I am a nerd. I am a geek when it comes to, notes and everything. Yeah, so I'm just going to be keeping this short and simple. I'm going to keep it like content to content, point to point and everything, where just you can just take your notepads and pens and just write it down or not. It's going to be very informative. Seriously, please try to watch the whole video, because these kind of videos are something that I wish I got to see when I was at your place. I was a beginner. I wanted to do content creation. I wanted to be a blogger. I wanted to be a creator and everything. Before beginning on the main topic, I really wanted to share something. That is, I am still a learner. I'm not a pro at blogging. I'm not a pro at creating and everything. I'm still learning. I am still a learner, and I always will be a learner, because knowledge has no limits. And I'm still learning, right? So please make sure that everything you are hearing right now is going to be something that I experienced myself. This field needs patience, consistency, passion, the thrive, the thirst to grow, and it's just not something that you see online and you see on social media that some influencers are doing, that they're getting so many perks, they're getting so many new things, clothes, accessories, like makeup and everything. You get intimidated by watching those stories and their content, but make sure you also know the actual part, that is, they have worked hard for it day and night. I use my phone to create content, only my phone, nothing else. I don't have a DSLR or camera or any like those costly pricey equipments. I only use a ring light, and that too very rare case. I always go for natural lighting. Right now I'm using natural lighting, and I am using a tripod and my phone. So let's begin with the questions that I put on the questionnaire, and you guys not answered, but you asked me the questions. I would like to know, what exactly is the collaboration? Well, sweetie, there are types of collaborations that some are paid, some are barter, and yeah, so that's how it is. That's one types of collaboration. And if you want an actual definition, so I have written it, obviously: the action of working with someone to create or produce something. Like brands and creators get together and they negotiate, or they talk about the collaborations and what they actually need, the itinerary and the whole plan up that a brand is looking for, and you present it for them, taking charges or even in barter or whatever is feasible to you. What do brands see in our account and when they want to collab? I'll make it very short. This one is very like simple, as in, right? Quality of the content is something they will always make sure that is the primary reason. When they go through your account, the quality of content is everything. Trust me, not even the numbers. They won't see that you have thousands of followers or not, like thousands as in lakhs or whatever, but the quality of your content matters a lot. If you're not, having the quality they are looking for, they won't pitch you, even though if you have whatnot followers, number of followers. And the content should be relatable. As far as I know, I have collaborated with a lot of brands, and they always make sure that my content is relatable. I am relating to my audience. I'm just not putting it out there just because of for the sake of putting it out there. The content shouldn't be just some pictures. It should be, like informative. It should teach something. It should be interesting. Most important part what brand sees in your profile would be engaging, right? The way you engage with your audience, the way you are, the relationship you have with your audience is really important. How do we start approaching brands for collaboration? What should we tell them? Okay, first of all, make sure that your profile has types of content. Like if you're into fashion and beauty, then make sure you have videos or pictures or posts that are related to fashion and beauty. So they are going to, you use the right hashtags and everything. Then make sure that the content is there. When you're pitching a brand, they're obviously going to study your profile. They're going to review your profile, everything you're posting, how you're replying to comments, and every little thing. So yeah, you make sure that everything is on the line. And how you can approach them, you can just create a simple message jahan pe short and sweet, not that lengthy, not that brief. You just put your links to your best content, or your social media links, and send them, DM them, or they have already put email IDs of the particular brand on their profile or bio. So wo jaake dekho aur वैसे उनको pitch करो. So yeah, that's how you can do. I am 15 and is it okay to do blogging in this age? How to manage both studies and blogging? Yes, you can do it, but studying is your priority. It shouldn't be compromised just because you want to start blogging at 15. Because आप पढ़ लो अभी, I think it's very necessary कि आप अभी जो कर रहे हो वो एक बार पूरा हो जाए, बाद में आप शुरू करो. Because blogging needs time. It is something that is a full-time thing. It is 24/7 job. You have to understand that before starting. So I would suggest you to please complete your studies first. So the next thing is, what are the things that I need to keep in mind before starting blogging? Okay. This is something that I didn't know. मैंने जब ब्लॉगिंग शुरू किया था, मैं काफ़ी बहुत उसको लाइटली ले रही थी एंड एवरीथिंग, दैट योर होल लाइफ, नॉट होल बट मोस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ इज़ गोइंग टू बी पब्लिक. लाइक आप जो भी पोस्ट कर रहे हो, रख रहे हो, सब कुछ पब्लिक होने वाला है. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर ओके विद इट. यू आर लाइक मेंटली, साइकोलॉजिकली सिक्योर बाय द फैक्ट दैट इट्स गोइंग टू बी पब्लिक. People are gonna see, types of people are gonna see, people are gonna criticize, people are gonna hate and everything. So mentally आप prepared हो उस चीज़ के लिए. R&D is very important. Research and development. आप sourcing कीजिए, आप study कीजिए कि you have to learn how to do whatever you want to do, right? वहाँ पे कितने सारे blogs हैं online and internet पे, बहुत कुछ है. So you can go there and check out everything. जो मुझे पता है, जो लिंक्स मैं पढ़ रही थी, everything will be in the description box. Niche matters. You cannot do everything at once. You cannot confuse your audience. So niche आप choice कर लो. Be sure that you want to be a food blogger, तो food blogger. Fashion and beauty, then fashion and beauty. You cannot do everything at once. That's what I think. And the most important part that मैंने इसी साल सीखा है, 2019 में सीखा है, that बेसिक्स ऑफ एडिटिंग, क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स एंड मेकअप एंड कंटेंट. इतनी चीज़ों का बेसिक्स तो आपको पता ही होना चाहिए, क्योंकि यू नेवर नो दैट यू आर गोना बी गेटिंग एनी पीपल और एनीबडी टू हेल्प यू आउट और नॉट. सो इन सारी चीज़ों के कोर्सेज है, बहुत कुछ है जो ऑनलाइन होता है. practice is the main thing. आप practice करो. I search in Google about blogging. It show me it is about writing an article but clicking pictures? Question mark. Sweetheart, first of all, there are so many बातें, words, statements and everything जिनका 1000 मीनिंग निकल सकता है. It's 2020 now, dude. There's like बहुत evolve हुए हैं हम लोग blogging में and everything. Now creating content, is a part of blogging area. Writing articles, yes. We are writing captions for you. We are reviewing products for you. That is blogging as well, because फर्क इतना है कि पहले ब्लॉग में हम लिखते थे, रिव्यूज देते हैं. नाउ वी आर क्रिएटिंग वीडियोज फॉर यू. वी आर क्रिएटिंग content to showcase that how we feel about the brand, how we feel about the product. What products you use for blogging? A phone, a tripod and a ring light. That is all I use. Plus collaboration means we need to buy their products first and then we need to advertise, or they send their products to use as a gift to advertise. Okay, so this is the most frequently asked question. I started blogging, जो भी मेरे पास था, like at least आपके पास कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा, राइट? लाइक लिप लाइनर और इवन अ स्मॉल लाइनर और जस्ट लिपस्टिक या इवन कोई स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट, इवन फेस वॉश जो आप रोज डेली यूज में डालते हो, राइट? सो बिगिन विद दैट रिव्यू. लाइक आप ओके, बर्ड्स चर्पिंग. सो आप शेयर करो अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज ऑन द प्रोडक्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. देन ट्राई टू क्रिएट कॉन्टेंट. मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स है या कुछ भी है, मेकअप लुक्स आप क्रिएट करो, या आपके पास एक छोटा सा लाइक अपना खुद का वार्डरोब होगा जहाँ पे आपके क्लोथ्स है, एज इन लाइक ऑब्वियस क्लोथ्स ही होंगे. एक टी है, टी को कैसे पहन सकते हो 4 ways में, एग्जाम्पल, राइट? सो वैसे कॉन्टेंट क्रिएट करना शुरू करो. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपके पास हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे तो ही ब्रांड्स आपको पिच करेंगे. नहीं यार, मेरे पास नहीं है, अभी भी नहीं है हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स और लाइक हाई एंड ब्रांड्स एंड एवरीथिंग. आई डोंट इवन हैव एनीथिंग फ्रॉम Zara. सीरियसली, आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग. आई हैवंट इवन बॉट एवर. अभी आई माइट, बट पहले से ही मेरे पास नहीं है. आई ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट मेरे पास जो भी है मैं उसको यूटिलाइज करूँ. प्लीज डू मोर विथ वट एवर यू हैव. यू कैन डू लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. बी क्रिएटिव, ओपन योर माइंड विद इट एंड जस्ट गो विद इट. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि उसके पास हाई वेस्ट है, मेरे पास भी हाई वेस्ट होना चाहिए तो ही मैं कर पाऊंगी. नो, दैट इज नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. यू कैन मेक लाइक कुछ भी है उससे काम चलाओ, होगा, व्हाई नॉट. एंड इन बार्टर हाउ इट वर्क्स इज दैट the brand send you the products, in return they ask you for some content. पोस्ट करो आप, या तो स्टोरीज डालो, या वट एवर दे आस्क टू डू. एंड मेरा फर्स्ट कोलैबोरेशन आई थिंक 2000-3000 नहीं फॉलोअर्स से तभी मैंने शुरू नहीं किया था, बट आई ऑलरेडी हैड प्रिटी गुड ऑडियंस व्हेन आई वाज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. तो मेरा फर्स्ट कोलैबोरेशन 7 या 8 हज़ार पे मैं थी फॉलोअर्स पे. नॉट 7-8, आई वाज ऑन 5 मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 3-4-5, आई डोंट नो. या सो आप वैसे शुरू करो, वट एवर यू हैव, यूटिलाइज दैट, डू मोर विथ लेस. रही बात इन्वेस्टमेंट की, इन्वेस्टमेंट मैंने अभी करना शुरू किया, टू बाय प्रोडक्ट्स दैट पीपल रियली वांट मी टू ट्राई इट ऑन एंड शेयर माय व्यूज ऑन इट. मैं क्लोथ्स कुछ बाय करती हूँ, कभी कभी मैं फुटवेयर बाय कर लेती हूँ, कभी कभी मैं मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स बाय कर लेती हूँ, जस्ट वेराइटी के लिए, फॉर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कंटेंट मैं क्रिएट कर सकूँ आपके लिए. सो क्या. And the last question is, we have to invest money in collaboration. How to start blogging with minimum resources? I just answered that. And I think हम दूसरों का देख के बहुत comparison करने लगते हैं. That is the most sickest thing I've ever tried, to do with myself. कि मैं मेरा everything, I always used to compare. That is wrong, don't do that to yourself. I know it's very tough out there, बहुत ही competition है and everything है, but just do your thing, आप अपना करो, दूसरों का देखना बंद करो. Study profiles but don't stalk profiles. That's what I've learned and you should learn as well. Yeah, so I think इतना काफ़ी है शुरू करने के लिए. मैंने 2 वीडियोस बनाए हैं, पहला वीडियो और ये पार्ट 2. ये काफ़ी है, आप इससे शुरू करो. यू डोंट हैव टू हैव बहुत बड़े नाम वाले प्रोडक्ट्स, नाम वाले एज इन बिग ब्रांड्स एंड एवरीथिंग. और आप जो डेली यूज़ में कर रहे हो, यूज़ प्रोडक्ट्स है, वेयर क्लोथिंग्स है एंड एवरीथिंग, उससे ही आप काम चला सकते हो. दैट इज श्योर. या राइट. एंड मैंने शुरुआत मेरे फ़ोन से ही की थी. स्टिल आई एम यूजिंग माई फ़ोन. आई डोंट हैव एनी DSLR और कैमरा. मैंने ट्राईपॉड और रिंग लाइट अभी इसी साल लिया है, नॉट एट ऑल, ऐसा है नहीं. एंड दैट टू रिंग लाइट इज़ अ गिफ्ट, it's a birthday gift, and tripod is my father's gift, because he is like so supportive now. He understands what I'm doing now, and he's so happy that I'm doing this. So yeah, patience रखो, बहुत ही patience की ज़रूरत है इस फील्ड में. मेडिटेशन शुरू कर दो, मैं खुद करने वाली हूँ. And yes, just do it, just begun if you really want to do this. That was all for this video. If I missed anything, कुछ भी, प्लीज़ कमेंट करो, मुझे बताओ, मुझे क्वेश्चन करो. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है या वॉट एवर, जस्ट क्वेश्चन और जस्ट ड्रॉप अ कमेंट इफ यू लव दिस वीडियो. इफ यू थिंक इट इज़ हेल्पफुल, just drop the heart or anything you like. So yeah, take care of yourself, and I hope this video helped, and I just can't thank you guys enough for supporting me. I really don't care कितने लोग देखेंगे इसको या views and everything. This is something I really wanted to do since the beginning of my journey. मैंने हमेशा से decide करके रखा था कि I'll help every person who really जो सही में ये सीखना चाहते हैं. जो भी मेरी नॉलेज होगी, मैं जो भी सीखूंगी मेरी एक्सपीरियंसेस से या वॉट एवर, I will always share with my audience if I had any in future. So here we are. I'm so happy that you guys are here and just sticking around. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much. Just stay safe, and please be very, very careful when you are outside and everything. Have a great day.